So I'm going to begin by adding 2 cups of very cold heavy cream or double cream. This is not no low fat, or this is full fat. And then I have here some powdered sugar. I'm going to add the powdered sugar to it. I'm going to take a whisk, small whisk, just to kind of mix that in. But don't whisk it vigorously. Just be gentle with it. We just want to kind of help it dissolve some of that powdered sugar in. So let's see how that powdered sugar is pretty much dissolved in. I have here Hershey's white chocolate pudding. And I'm using the white chocolate pudding because I'm hoping that my frosting will stay a pretty white color when I use it. Plus it'll give it a nice white chocolate flavor. So I'm going to add the pudding mix. Then I'm going to just whisk that in gently. Don't whisk it vigorously because you don't want to create any, you don't want to put too much air in this. Okay, so that's pretty much dissolved. I just want to whisk in the beginning because if you don't, when you bite into the frosting, it's going to have grains. So I have my whip attachment. Don't use a paddle. And then I'm going to put the head down, and then we're going to begin on low speed, and I'm going to let this whip together for about 1 minute. So it's been going for about a minute now, and we're at a soft peak stage, you see? So that's beginning to build soft peak. So now what I'm going to do is just whip it on high, and just watch it. Don't whip it for too long. You start to see the texture change. See, it's starting to get thicker. I just want to show you guys. See? It's becoming even more thicker. So at this point, you have to be very careful because you don't want to over whip it. It's starting to become even more thicker. And I'm stopping a lot because I want to just show the beginners to help them a lot. Help them out. So you see, it's still a bit runny. Put the head down. Okay. Starting to get a bit firmer. I think we're almost there. I'll go just a few seconds more on high. So this is firm as I want. And see, it's not overbeaten. So that's what we want. We want it to be firm. So now I'm going to show you that it's pipeable. So I have my pastry bag filled. What I usually first do is begin by squeezing to press out any air to make sure it pipes. It does. So I think I'm just going to do a little rosette swirl around the top of the cheesecake here. Just set it around motion. Now as you see, you have perfect pipeable stabilized whipped cream. Please try this recipe and let me know if you tried it. Please leave a comment and add this video to your playlist and also share it. And if you're looking for the Shamrock Shake Cheesecake recipe, please check on my cooking channel, Cooking with Tovia, as it will be uploaded there. Please remember to live and be well. Thank you for watching The Sugary Sweet, where we're making the world a little bit sweeter.